1 check of the microphone. Is everything okay? Okay. We'll start today from watching on my backlog. Interview that will be shown when you stop filling the machine. And money UI. Okay, understandable. What I made in the last time, I made the drag component. This is my test of the machine. I wanted, okay, yeah, if I remember correctly. Oops, something not working. Another observer is not setting the instead of the object. Yeah, I don't have here the drag component. Here I have the drag component, yeah. Here it must work. Is this glass? Oh, why it's work like that? Okay. Okay, the drag work. Now I make it. Now I want to make it. Okay, drag begin. And I will drag end, drag begin, root position. I don't want this move. I don't want to see the move. Do I need this notification function? I think I don't need it. Remove this one. What I need, I don't know what I need. Drag ended. Don't need two of them. Drag begin, drag ended. I need to look if I have a problem with that or not. Oops, no, I don't need to enter the... I need to show the scene. How much? Drag ended, I only have one drag ended. Yeah, because I don't have the dragon here. Okay. I think that I not need this one. No, I need this one. But I don't need dragon movable global position. What I don't need this one. Drop data for now. It's not usable. And I won't make it possible when I drag the object. If I will drag it back around the root position, I make it possible to connect the root position. How I will make it. How I will make it. I'm dragging, then I throw it away. Yeah, but the new, I think when the drag starts the first time I need to save the position or make a marker or save the first position. We'll start with saving the first position. Okay. Vector 2 root position root position куда drag root don't have a global because it's we need a node 2D. Control can be, but is not derived from node 2D. Maybe. No, I think that node will. I think that the control have. If control have. I don't see a position. I will check it like that. Okay. The control will not have the drag position. So how I make it? I not have a goal, but how I get the position? Movable part. From the draggable I take the movable part. The movable part, it's your element too, but I can get the global position. Movable part, drag. I take it from the drag component. How I can take the global position of the drag. Interesting. It worked. Okay. No, because it's not 2D now. Can I do it like that? Okay, I will try it. Public vector 2 root position. Okay. Okay, if it ended, yeah, this is true. And now if the root position, if the draggable component никуда, draggable component dot root position никуда, I need no. Normalize. Angle to point. No, I need like distance to if it's too close, it's like around 50 pixels. I will take 100 if it's more, not more, if distance is less than 100. Swipe it back. If not, I make the root position a movable port global position. What? No. Okay. In this case, it must work normally. What? A very strange bug. What now? What now? Ah, he can't custom inherit cast. Texture rectangle to tab Godot not 2D. I can cast like that, but this is a control. It was the problem before. Control. Oh. I will try now. Okay, I drag, put it, then I put it somewhere. It not connect back. Can be that I need to make this point when I firstly dragging the item, not in the ready function. Like do it in this way. Drag root, drag down, не помню, it will be overridden each time I get drag data. Okay. 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 What to make and how to make that? Okay. If I do it the first time, I will make some wool. I don't have a way to save it like better than now. This looks terrible to do it like that. Maybe not to use control node. I don't know. Okay, I made a draggable component using the pressable and draggable everything by control node. Can I implement it in different way? Not to make it like that? No, I will continue it this way, but how I can... Okay, my problem now is that I trying to put it back, but I think the position when I save it like that, it's pretty bad. It's not the correct position. the ready. Root position. Okay. I forgot to turn on the web. Okay. Yes. What will happen now? I will see the position. Okay. I will try to put it close enough. Huh? What? Okay. Now I understand the problem. I see. Why in the ready the position is so awkward? Okay, I need something to save the position in other way. Not within here. I need to save it like maybe from here, from the manager script of this. I don't need this. I need to save it from here. I can't save it from ready because the position when they ready, the position is awkwardly not correct. I can make it with a vent that will connect subscribe only one time and then unsubscribe when it made, and we'll save the position. But it's strange that I can. If I will try to change the local position of the, not the global, the to 0, if it will work. Maybe like not like that. I have to say position and vector 0 to 0. Maybe it will work with it. Yeah, it's checking with them. Boom, 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 boom. It's checking with the global position of them. I will check with the position. But here I use the root position. Can I get the position of that one and check it now? And when it notify, I want this check. Oops, I want to see this check. JD, not drag ended. I want to see the drag component position and the movable part position. Okay, movable position. Now I look 0, 0. It's position it now. Oh, okay. It's now go back to the position. But I feel that 0, 0 not the correct position. Okay, 0, 0 is not the correct position. I need to see the node itself. Let's transform. Okay. starts from 0, 0. Yeah, okay. Whoops. Not the correct. This is the size of this box. And this is the I'm moving this one. This is the root. The position is slightly off. Okay. This is one of the problem. The position is slightly off. So if the position is slightly off, I think I will need to move the pivot. No. Do I need to move the pivot? No. If I will move, if I will change this position, I must move. But I need not to get the global. I can get not the global. I can get the what is it? What is happening? Okay, nice. Okay, I can make it like that, and then I will get not the global position. I will get the I will get the position. This position will be what I need. Now I am getting the local position, not the global one. And if I get the local position, how I manage it here, I need to check the draggable component. Now I can check the root position and movable part position. This is now the position, and I can check it like that. And yeah, now root position, and we will look how it's working in this way. Okay. It look promising. Almost, yeah. Yeah, I forgot. I forgot to change it from the vector 2 to the draggable component root position. I will put it here. Okay, and now, oops. Oh, it's now. Yeah, it's look less and less. Why it's happening? It's close enough, but the problem is I want to start from the middle. Maybe first of all the pivot point, 100% I want to move the pivot point to the middle. Yeah, something like that. First of all, I will move to the middle, not that one. Started it. First of all, I will put it in the middle. Second of all, I need to understand why this strange behavior happens. I need somehow I need to make this in a this in a 0 0 position, and then I can easy put it back. The problem is that if I put 0 0, it's incorrect. Do I need to change the font image position? No, it's controlled by other node. I must make it somehow 0 0. How I can make it 0 0? If it was a regular node, I can make it offset, but not work like that. Oh, draggable is making me crazy. What? Why the draggable is moving? Okay. Okay, I will. I need to look. Another. I think I have another problem. The position is 824, but when I drag it the first time and I check the local position, not a 824. It's local to the front texture. Strange. If I save the root position, if I save it like that, it will work correctly. This is first. The better way is to save the root position, save the position from elsewhere. I think the better solution is to save global position after I move the first time, after I move the node first time. When I move it the frame, I save the root position. I can't save it already because it's too early for this specific for control nodes. Do I have something like GUI? Oh, yeah, I have a GUI. Probably override GUI input and bit that there is notification. No, document AVT. Hey. If he is what it can be if it what I wanted to do. I will drink water. I don't understand. I want to change something. Okay. Maybe I will do it with easy to implement public event action. It will be I can make it save global position, and then in the ready save global position to on save global position, private void on save global position. Almost now I will remove save global position on save global position, and then I will make it oh, it's hard. My back is hard. Oh, and now I remove it. Reboot vector 3 root position. Root position. Drag. Okay. Set global position. Nice. It will save and unsubscribe. It's one time, something like one time event. And now I want to invoke it, but without adding to the I can add it to UI. I think 50-50. I can add it to UI. I can't public vector root position. Can I do it? Can't I do it? Global position. How I can make it? Can I somehow okay, I make it easier. I will add public event discharge show. Drag ended. A very easy function. Drag ended. Private avoid on drag ended. I don't need this one. I will start to remove some debug. I don't need them. Okay, now what? No. On drag ended, I don't want to invoke. I want to yeah, I don't want to do it on each drag ended. I want to make it one time. Not the best solution, but for now I think it will handle what I want. After the drag ended, draggable component Godot save global position invoke. I can't invoke it from outside. Yeah, I can't invoke it from outside. I can only run the function. Yeah, I can make like public void save global position, and then I will make save. I have a event of this name. How I can call it? I can call it not save global position. We'll make it private. We save. I will call it save root position. Save root position. On save root position, and then here's No. Save position. Oops, save position, and here I will invoke the save route. Here I will invoke this one, and from here I not invoke, I will make save position. Nice, okay. And then it will save only one time, and all the other time it will work regularly. Regular. It will only talk. Oops. I think the drag penguin at 0, 0. Okay, now it's not working at that time. Oh, nice. Whoa. What I made? I'm crazy. Why I saving here nice. The best save to slave. When it begin dragging, not when drag ended. When drag ended, it saved the position after the drag was accomplished. Okay, what? It's working? Okay, now I need to understand what is the radius of this. Okay. It looks better. Now it's working. Correctly, not correctly, but it's working. Okay. If this working, now I can continue to implement the behavior I wanted. First of all, I want it to be possible. I want it to be possible to put some items in it. How I make it, I don't know. The items will be held in each slot. They have 9 slots, but the problem now, the main problem is how I will hold the items. Do it need to be nodes like sprites, where there is very small sprites, or they must be okay? I need to try. The only way to know it is to try. Okay, first of all, texture rectangle. Okay, this is the first one. What? It's empty. Yeah, the texture is empty. Okay, I will load coffee. I have no coffee. Really, I found the best thing. Yeah, I have coffee. Okay, this is the coffee texture. It's look too big. I need to make it smaller. Where is the sizing? In the layouts, transform. Size, can it be like something like 16 28? Maybe smaller, I don't know. But but it feels not correct. Okay, it really works. But I have a problem. If it will be, but I must it to be the UI, because elsewhere it will be problem in the screen, if the screen will be bigger or smaller. But where to put the... Okay, for now I make it in the very easy way, and then I will try to think about something smarter. Okay, now I will try to... Yeah, this is not the correct way to start. What did I do? Okay. How much I can put to make it look... Okay, it look pretty good. I think so. It's okay. 100% the glass need to be in front. Oh, it's look not bad in this way. But the only problem, I need to understand how I make it work. How it working? Okay, first of all, I must to create dynamically text rectangle when I take them from the inventory. I think I will start to work on the inventory first. That will be part of the vending machine default UI. Okay. First of all, I need inventory. Without the inventory, it will be... do I need the inventory? I can make it only shown, and I can take it from left. It look like it correct to work now on the inventory. Maybe to make something simple, only the UI stuff with added by me things. Okay, this is the vending machine UI. Do I need to edit? Is the inventory will be shown only on the vending machine. If it's shown only on the vending machine, if it's shown only on the vending machine, I don't need in any other part of the game. But if I will need, I can make it as my own scene. Yeah, because think about inventory will be from the left. In this part it will be the inventory, and then the order list will be here for new items. So in reality I don't need inventory in any other place, but if I will need, I can make it say okay. But do I need to make the root node a canvas layer, or I put...
I'm just calling to say
I will make it
that I miss you.
because I don't want to make it as in reality they are not connected in any way. The inventory is working by itself and the vending machine is working by itself. They don't must be on one layer. And because of that, the only thing I need some. I will make canvas layer here to work on that. I will call it what the canvas layer name. I will call it vending machine canvas layer. Okay. My vending machine. Canvas layer. Maybe later I will change to something. Oh, no. Okay. Vending machine canvas layer. Okay, I will add the vending. I will add the vending machine local UI, and then I want to start to work on another control that I will call the inventory. Okay, now I have this one, the inventory. I want to take like third of the screen from left side, because I think all of my machines will be maximum this size, like this, the default, not less. Okay, now I need to make it maybe like that. Okay, this is the max inventory size that I can do. Pretty big inventory. I didn't import the inventory assets. Do I need them now for this? I can make the inventory tool look good. But for that I will need to make it a little bit more complicated, the inventory itself. How we'll make it? First of all, my inventory, I can make the regular inventory like in every game, but if I will make it that each slot, not a slot where you have like vending machine that you have one can after one can, or some, I don't know, like coffee bag. You have coffee bag, and after that another coffee bag, and after that another coffee bag, and then when you take one, they push the other in front. It looks good. It will look good, but do I need it now for because of that I'm not sure that I can make it using, or I can make it using UI. Okay. Do I have a grid container? Okay, now each item will be how much columns? Okay, first of all, grid. I will make it all the size. Columns like 4, I think, maybe more, 5. In this scenario, if I will add container, panel container with minimum size of 64 by 64, maybe. Okay, I must make less rows. 4 is too much. Will be 3 rows, and I need to make them in the middle. Scale position full. How I make them to be centered and not like that. First of all, I can make them 32 by 32, if not less. Now them. They controllable by the grid. The grid have like okay. It's 32 by 32. Now I can make more rows. 5 is sounds okay. I can make it pretty big with this. Maybe 24 by 24. It will be better. 32 is 84 by 84. Maybe it will be a little bit better. Okay, 5 is too much, but 4 will be perfect. The only problem that they not align center. They how to align them in the center? I don't know. Okay, full rectangle. Yeah, it must be full rectangle. Okay, I must to check it. How to Godot, how to align grid. And blah blah blah. Choose the option. Full rectangle. Just size using this containers inside the rectangle. I have not this control now. And then inside script should look like that. Huh? To center. Yeah, it must to have some script that aligned to the center. Okay. And shall contain size vertical and horizontal shrink. Okay, set the child Yeah, I thought that it will be something like that. Vertical. Maybe it's center, center, expand, expand. I think it. No, it's centered. 100. I think it's centered. Yeah, it's centered. But I don't think that they need horizontally to horizontally. Horizontally vertical. Okay. Sometimes I forget this how I must do it. Oh, okay. I got it to this one. But now if I want them in the middle, I can continue to want it. But now is the problem that if I put each item okay, I think I must make it easier before starting to make it harder, because harder I will make it harder any day I will want, and this is not the problem. Make it harder, it's very easy to make it harder. For now we'll start with something simpler. The only thing I now need, to make a panel container, must to have a texture rectangle. Now we will take some like the coffee before. Oh, it's look amazing. Do I need for now? I need to call this not panel container. I need to call it a slot UI, slot container UI, maybe a slot UI, and then save brush as scene in the scene UI. Not to forget this one. Okay, saved. Go. Nice. Okay, for now I have the texture rectangle, the slot UI probably. Now I need the label for the quantity, like 10. The max amount, I think this can be the max. I will make it something like in here from the bottom. I think so. The bottom is normal position for that. Oops. Now I want to move it like give me the. I can move it. I must move it. Something like that. The text need to be horizontal centered. I want for now font. I need to change the font right now to not make. Okay, first of all I will add the font I have. I don't remember if I added. Oh, okay, I think I forgot. I will add it next time. For now it's not a big problem. Font size, font constant, shadow off, not shadow, outline size, 5 is too much, 3 will be the correct amount, Huh? Okay. I will close this one. This behavior okay? I'm not sure, but it will be okay because I will make the temp override. I will make horizontal like yeah, and horizontal vertical like 10 or maybe like 20. Yeah, like 20, and I can make like 10 in horizontal. It's now look much better. Okay, now it have a label that will be the amount. For now, do I need more? No, I don't need more. Now I can remove all these ones. Yes, and add a lot of coffee. Something like that will be okay. Have a lot of coffee. To the internet, I will make it. I will make it inventory UI. Okay, and this will call inventory UI. For now, do I need script? Do I need script? Do I need? Yeah, the regular script. Okay, I will make a small break of 10 minutes. I will go grab a coffee, and I will continue after that. Okay, I'm back. I will start the record. Okay, I will continue to work. Implement simple thing on the UI. I need to save this in the UI too. UI. Okay, I will start with the slot. I will make a simple script. UI on the code one. Okay. Okay. I don't need these ones. For now, I don't need the system. First of all, I need the reference for the image. No, this is will be the product texture, and this will be the amount label. Okay, we'll take them to make them unique. And now I will go, and first of all I need for the texture rectangle, it will be the product texture rectangle. I need the label. Now in the ready function I will need to get this and this one like that. Now I need the public void update UI. Have it a sprite or something? No, it must to have something like this. Is a texture 2D texture. Yeah, this fill is texture. Maybe sprite 2D. No, to go to texture 2D. Texture 2D. Okay, texture 2D. Product name. No, it's not the product name. It's product. It's product amount label. Yeah, I need the product amount label. This is the product amount. I will pass it as int. Okay, will be the update. If the texture is null, I want to hide the product amount label. Hide, and I want to hide the label, the texture product texture rectangle hide. Okay, I need else. I want to show them. Pass. Okay. Now I will show or hide depending on what I get. Do I need something else for now? No, I don't think so. It's like okay as it is. And now we'll have the inventory. I will attach script to that too. Attach script UI. Okay. Okay. Now the first thing that I need it the grid container. I will call it product container. I will call it product grid container. Make it as unique. Private grid container. Now in the ready I will get the grid container. The product grid container. Product grid container. I will get it on the start. Then I need the reference to the slot UI. Export a packet seed product slot scene. I need this one to create new ones. And in the ready I want to var product slots. No, not like that. I want to product grid container get children. I want what? Gonna be all the children. This is not generic method. I need to I can convert it. Okay. Then I pass show each, and I need to slot point will be 3. Yeah. Oh, nice. I free each object. All the temp I will free, and then I want to create new ones. In the same way, I will make. I need some sizes. No, I don't need sizes because it's depend on the I will make a public function that will be called initialize inventory. Then I not slot count. No, it's not work like that. Yeah, okay. And then I initialize each child, and initialize in the way that I will take each product slot and make it point update. What slot UI need to have the function update product info. Update product info. Nice. This will be the initialization, and then I will edit. Depend on the initialization. Then to find a slot, do I need here the function or not? The slot UI only show data, but who manipulated? Somebody else. To check if it's empty, I need to check if it depends on the product amount. If it's hidden, as I make the product amount 0. No, I don't need to make it each time, only if I want to show it. And here I make the product texture rectangle texture. I make it null. I make it 0. I can split it to functional things. I make it extract method. I will call it hide slot. Here will be the show slot. Show slot. Nice. Like that I will hide, and I will make function called bool is empty. Is empty if the product amount label equal point text. I can check it like that because it's not. I think I will make it something else with the resource in the future, but for now I will check if it's null. If it's null, it's empty. And if I want to add a slot, I don't add it here. I only update the inventory here. How I will do it? Public void update in the do I have an update inventory? No, not like that. I want to update them. In the update, I want to get not a slot. I want to get something. Okay, I need to work on the resource before that to know what to pass to the inventory UI. For now, I will have the initialization. It's okay to start the inventory from scratch. I will remove the old ones that for only debug purposes. In the slot UI the same. I only show hide. For now, it not do a lot. And I need some sort of resource. Did I make a resource before? I think I made something with machine resource. This is the vending machine itself. I need a new one. I need new resource. In the data vending machine, I will create a resource. No, not like that. I will create a C# script. I will call it a product resource. Okay, it need to resource. Nice. Now I need to create, and I need to put the main field in the product resource. Okay. It will be a lot of exports. A product name, product price, product icon. It's okay. I need. Do I need here? No. This rest. It not. This don't need to have. I need the product name, the product price, the product icon if it exists. I don't need the amount because the amount will be saved in different way, not in the resource. What I need, I need the type of the vending machine. I did it before. I think in product type. I need the product type. Product type, oops, like that. Product type. It will start with none. Do I need something else? For now, it's solid, I think. Yeah, It's look like very good. I will make one product for start. I didn't make. Okay. In the vending machine, I will create folder for product, and then I will add. I will add 3 items. I think for now it's will be. I forgot to add the global class. Nice. Okay, now I can create the resource I need. I need a product. I forgot to build. Without the building, it will not show the backend of the Godot must to make it before. Now it will be shown. Product resource. We start with the coffee, like that one. Product name coffee, without description for now. For now, the price is will be 0. I don't use it for now. Quit load coffee. Product type. No, the coffee is specific to the beverage machine. Why is it here? Oh, I have another. What I have for the I think I have. I will look for one of the I have art products. Multi. Yeah, I start with the. I think with the cookie. I will add the cookie, the ramen, the muesli. I start with the cookie. Quick load. Cookie. I will add the cookie. It will be the multi-product. And I want to change it from this one to the cookie. For now. Look how it looks. Oh, it looks great. The cookie is. A cookie is very, very great. Okay, I have the cookie. I want to add another resources. The first one is the cookie. The second one is the ramen. Multi. And the third one will be the muesli. The muesli. Muesli. Okay. Muesli. Muesli. It with indent. No. Muesli. And product type, multi-product. Okay, nice. These 3 products will help me to start to work. Now I have the products. Now I need to create some helper class that will hold the resource. I forgot the max stack amount to add to the resource. It's important. For now it will be for the same for every one, but maybe in the future I will change it. Max stack size, it will be 99. 99 is okay for start. For everybody, I don't want to change too much. We look now. Okay, 99. It's a max stack. I have the maximum size for 4 numerical for 4 digits. Okay. Okay. I add for numerical digits. Now I need to start to work to the but before I must to create the helper class. I will make it from here, from there. Yeah, I take it. I will create it from here. No, I don't need to. I can create it from here. It will be a helper class, not a node, not anything. Where I can put it, it will be code, but I think it helper class. In the end, it will help me to do some stuff. I will create no helper, and I will add new file. We call it slot. Okay, I now have the slot UI class. For UI only purposes, I will need one class that would handle the... No, not this class will handle it. I think it can call slot CS, like solid name. I will change it in the future if I will need. So, okay, game, helper, oops, okay, start public class. There will be slot class. In the slot class, the first thing I will need the because it's a class. I think I will use the constructor to create it. It's a nice solution without too much problem. And what I will need the product. I will need the product resource. I need the product resource first of all. Okay. Do I want to set to be... No, I don't want to set to be public. And the count, I don't want to be... No, not count. Amount, I like the word amount better than count. Okay. This is this initialization of this. I will get the resource, I will get the amount. And then the first thing that I want to do, it's like to add, to remove from this. I will start from add amount. Okay, if it's past the max amount, it's false. Okay, now I will make the same for remove. If it's less, it's false. I can remove more that I okay, I need to check if it's empty. I will make it here. Public bool is empty. Okay, if it's 0, it's empty. It can be now I need, for better UI, I think I must here to add some event, public event action. Do I want from the start to use IDs? IDs is very good when you're searching. I can save the slots by ID per ID to make it fast search in the future. Okay, on slot change. I'm not sure that I want to send the slot itself, because to check to find the same slot is 50-50. But with GUI I can know, because each slot yeah, but when a slot becomes 0, it needs to be removed from the array and then updated, and then the UI must update. I can make this. I can make one under the hood private int amount, and then I can make it something a little bit different. How I will make it? I make the okay. Why I make it like that? I can do it. Get the amount. The set will be on not only the onslaught change. I want to check if the new value. I want another event, public event action, not on slot change or on slot empty. When it's empty, because of that I need to check if value is 0 or maybe less than 0, maybe or equal to 0, I will lock the slot empty, but I don't need to invoke this in any way. I want to change the amount, but I don't want to invoke the onslaught change. And in this construction, what I will make in if the value is less or equal to 0, I will emit the slot empty. If not, on slot change, and I will change the amount. If it's empty, it will probably remove itself from some manager script. I have add, I have remove. I want some helping function to only know what amount do I need it. I'm not sure. Okay, for now it's okay. It's look good. I have the slot. Now I can handle. Okay, I think I will use GoID for this one. It's easier to. I think it's easier. It's much easier. I think I use the public GoID. I make the ID. Yeah, I will make the ID. I must to make it read only, and the GoID I want to set it not here. I will set it in the construction. First time you say okay, nice, new product. Now it's your ID. Read only is not valid for this modify. If it read only, it can be what? Okay, it's not so a big problem. I will make it here separate. Okay, now I have for each ID. It will be easier to work in the future with that. Okay, now when I want to add some new slot, interesting. Okay, think about that. I initialize the inventory. It's okay, I need only the size of the inventory that will be provided by the manager script. After that, when I want to add slot or remove slot, I will get the slot and I will no, I want to update the inventory by all the slots I will get. So I want to get a list of slots. Void update inventory. Okay. No, I will not get one slot. I will get a list of slots. List of slot. List of slot. Okay. For now, after initialization, in reality, I can work with that. I will do it. I will not handle anything, only the update of each slot. Yeah, I think so. I will go slot by slot. First I need to wipe everything, and then I need to redraw it another time. It seems legit. Okay. Oh, pretty good. Okay, I will do it like that. Can I make it like okay. Yeah, it's look very good, but not for now. Okay, what I have, get all the children's, then children slot UI, var machine slot first of default. If machine slot the product, it's very strange behavior. Why he wanted? I don't want to write this. I want to get all the. I think I will save. I don't want each time to get all the childrens and make it another time and another time. I will make here a list of slot UIs. I can make it read-only. I will take the product slots, and after I will add it to the product. I will add it, and then I can move it a little bit different because I will have. Oops. No, it's okay. Update inventory. I will get list of slots, and then for each slot and for each slot UI in product slot. Why I checking? I don't want to check. First of all, I want to rewrite the data before. I will get the list. I wipe all the data, write new ones. This is the easiest approach. For each, I will make function to clear. It will be private function, private void clean inventory. Okay, it's very easy. For each slot, I will clean it. After I clean, it better not to do like that. I will make it clean. No, not like that. Clean. And then I want to create game clean. It generated this. Oops, nice. Internal, very nice. Why internal? I don't know. Okay. Not like that. I have a hide slot function that will work correctly with that. Where is the public? Okay. Now I have the clean one. I will clean every slot. After the clean, for each slot in slots, I will go. Can go in the same time. I don't need to make for each and for each. Why is welcome that? For int I. Okay, int less than inventory size. Okay. Size and I less than the product slots, because if I provide more slots is a problem, and if I provide more slots is one problem, and the second problem is if I provide less, I do checks that I don't need to do. Like why? What is this? Why here right? No. Slot product update product info product amount. What he do? I think I will pass the slot. I will pass the slot. It sounds inventory size why product slot? No. What? Okay, sometimes he writing so strange thing. First I need to add the inventory size, private int inventory size. Okay, I will get the inventory size from here. Slot count. I will call it not size. Max inventory size. Nice. Change. Okay, nice. Okay. Inventory size or raise in the product information. I don't want to get. I want to get the slot. It's easier to get the slot and then to separate it here. If slot is null, it's easier to if it's null, hide. If not, I want to get the slot. Wait, product. Not the product. I want to get the sprite. I don't have a product sprite. What? Ah, okay, no. Product icon. Okay, it can be called product icon. It's a product icon. Then I will get the amount. Do I need to save the slot here? I need to save. In this case, I don't need to save the slot. I need to subscribe to its event slot. It have on slot changed event. What happened on change? Somebody will be invoked, and then the only thing I will do is on slot change. What I will do on this on slot change, if it's empty, I will hide it. Slot is empty, I will hide it. It's very easy. I will make two functions: private void on slot change, on slot. Okay, if it's changed, I will show slot another time with new product amount and texture. In this way I will hide it. No, I get for this on slot change, like that. I will, if I will pass the ID, I will know from all the inventory what was changed. Do I need to do it? Okay, I do it in this way. I have the slot. I will take from the slot. Here I will take the slot, and then I will take it like that. Okay. Or I will hide, depend on the event. Here I get the slot, but I don't. If it's empty, I don't need to get anything. It's not bother me that it's empty. Or to know which slot to delete. To know which slot to delete. Okay. I will not use it, but I will have it. Okay. Hide. What is the problem now here? Yeah. I can now send null without any explanation to make it clean. This is the UI part, I think. Have sound. Okay. Oh, what is happening here? Like, yeah, I don't need this. I don't need to check if the slot is slot UI. I can free it, because if maybe somehow it not the slot it's a very big problem if it's not slot, but it's safety check for now. I think it will make bug in the future. Okay, what? Yeah, I forgot about the new nice. This is from C#, I think 8, 9, maybe before, I don't remember. Okay. Oh, I made this one. Okay, what I need to continue now? I have some sort of basic implementation on the inventory, and I think it will work. Maybe yes, maybe not. I don't know. Yeah, it will not work because I'm retardus. First of all, I need to add what? I need to put slot to slot. Okay, slot UI first of all. this I will not add, it will be, now it will work. Yeah, it's clean, but it's not creating new ones. Godot system. Product texture rect. Maybe I fucked up somehow in other places. Can be, yes, it may be. Where I made the mistake? Product slot. I instantiate. I instantiate upgrade. 1 second. I don't edit. No, I added product grid container. I added as a child of product grid container. It's correct. Product grid container. Check it another time. Maybe I wrote it correct. I saw something about the. I remember. Can it be that I wrote it incorrect here? It can be. It can be. I will go to the slot UI. Not like that. Go to the scene of the slot UI, and then product texture and amount label. Product texture and amount label. Amount label. And now it will work correctly. I made it before like that. I don't know. Because game extension. What my extension didn't work? No instance. Where it called? No, I don't want to see. I want to know who is involved, who made this event. No, not this one. Can it be this one? Control. Oh, I think I found where it's starting. It tried to get the draggable component, but it can't. Why? I don't know. Because. Okay, I will see what the problem. The problem is very strange. Strange because it was before. Okay. I need the. Because the default, the vending machine default UI don't have. This is why the error is happening. Because it don't have the movable part. I will make it a little bit. Get component. Maybe I make it. I need to return null. If it's null, I don't need to do anything. The only thing I really need to do is to I think this is the probably the line that make all the, but I can't make it like that. I can't. Okay, if it's null, please go. Can let it like that. Okay, make it. If draggable component is null, I only print not error, print push warning, drag component not found, else. Okay, it's because specific in the default vending machine. What? Ah, what? I make the stupidest mistake. What I'm checking, the movable part is null, not the. If movable part is null, push more, push warning, and then do like that. It's specific because the default don't have the movable part, but now I don't see the inventory. It's very strange. Why I don't see the inventory? I made something wrong? It probably, yes, I made something wrong if it's not work. When I hide, oh, if I hide the product, I don't need to hide everything, I need to hide only the product section. Okay, first of all, I don't need to hide everything because how I build it, I can hide only the texture. I can hide only the texture, and in addition, okay, it can be like that. I don't think this is the problem. It's something in the inventory. The inventory didn't initialize in the start because I didn't make anything that initialize it. Okay, I make it easier. I will write initialize inventory like 20 or test. How I write it? Do I have something in the extension? I will see if I have something. Bug hack fix me to do xxx. Why xxx? I changed this one of the xxx to test. Yes. Oh, now it will work. After testing, because I know myself I will forget it. Okay, now it will be initialized. No. Why? Because void slot hide slot to the reference don't set on insert on an object. It tries to hide the slot. Initialize. It's trying to update, but the product slot itself is null. What? Is null. It's trying to hide. The hide is what the hide is doing. It's hide the label, the hide anything, and they make the texture null. Maybe I can't make the texture null. Maybe. Object reference not set to an instant of the object. No, this is the initialize. The problem is coming from hide, and then let's try to hide it. The only problem can be that it can find the product texture or the amount label. It tried to set something, but it's sorry, I don't see anything. It's strange because the product texture, and maybe I wrote the amount label incorrectly. No, I wrote it's everything correct. This level, the texture is empty. Is I not use the why it's happening? When I create the inventory, I go to the max inventory size. I make the product scene initialize slot UI. Then I update the product information. Maybe I need to update it after I add the child. Maybe this is the problem. Oops, no, not the correct run. What? Not the correct scene now. Oh, okay, it created it. It was the because before it was added to the scene tree, the object itself is not existing, and then I tried to change it, but there is not the label, not the texture is not existing. Because of that, I can change it, but now it's working. 20 slots, very fine, very good. Okay, it looks good. And now I can probably drag it from here to here, maybe, or press for now. I can make it for now pressable and then it move by itself, or draggable like a little mini game. What I will do, I don't know what I want to do. It's working, it's okay, it's fine. First of all, that's what I wanted. For now, what I need for now. Okay, my next steps is to create some manager that will manage the UI. No, for now I need something that will manage the inventory itself, but in the data layer, and then I need some manager class that will be handled the after I change the layer data. It will do something to the like, but probably the layer data can change. The only thing that it don't need to do anything, I think. Yeah or not? I think one of the problem that I connected in the slot, I connect the update, but I don't want to update it like that. No, not here, but here. I'm not sure that I want to also change or on slot, or I don't think that I want on slot change or on slot empty to be changed like that. It will create inconsistent. Is don't wanna. I need to do it, but from the it's look like that. You have the slot UI. Okay, I think I need some paint skills. Okay, I think I need some paint skills. I have the slot UI. It will be the slot UI. Then I have the inventory UI that need to handle everything, and then to update the slots. Then I have the inventory itself, that it will be class like the slot one. I have now the slot. I need now to create the inventory class, because I have the slot one, I have the slot UI and the slot inventory UI. Then I create the helper class inventory, and then when I have inventory and slot, I will create some class that will be called inventory manager. This inventory manager will handle, will do something. He will have the inventory class in it, which contain of slot, and then when it will be changed, it will be say to the inventory, please update. It work like that. I have slots. Each inventory will have a list of slots. Inventory manager will have one inventory that will make add, remove, all the function, and then will handle the updates. When something change here, it will update the inventory, and the inventory will ask to update the slots, each slot. Yeah, okay, it looks okay. It looks okay. Okay, this one, it's not correct. I can't do it like that. It will broke something that I want to do. I'm not sure that I need these two. I will. Well, I don't think. I don't think that I will need or will need it. I don't know. I need to start from the inventory class itself. New file. I need to create inventory. Okay. Namespace game help. Okay, public class in inventory. Inventory will be hold first of all a read-only list of slots. This is why system generic say okay. It will hold yeah, it will hold. Do I call it slot? I think the name must be slot data, not slot. Okay. It can be changed in the future. For now, it's okay to call slot. Okay. After that, I need some regular function like get item, add item, remove item, and I will work the add by slot, the remove by ID. The remove will be by ID. Yeah, by ID. Why removing all? Move all elements that match the condition. Can it be conditional for remove? With the first occur of a specific object from the list. Okay. I will remove it by ID. Okay, I will add item to the inventory. Do the behavior is correct? Add item. I only add like that. I'm not sure that is. I need to initialize it too. Probably. Oops. Inventory. Max inventory size. Not like that. I will pass the inventory size. Private max inventory size. Yeah. Max inventory size. I can make it easier. I will use the primary constructor. It's read only. The inventory not be, for now the inventory will not be changed at all. For now, the inventory will not be changed at all. And first of all, when I try to, I will need to check if the count is less than my inventory size. Can I make a function? Private. It can be. It can be public. Public. It can be from here. Public. Inventory size. Not inventory size. Ball is full. It's empty. I don't need for now. It's empty. I can now. If is full. If not. Okay. Forget. If it's not full, I can add item. For now, when I add in item, maybe I have the same item in the inventory right now, because the max, I think the max I can't add more the max size. Because of that, each slot is each slot have a max size for it. For now it's like 99. Because of that, I'm sure that if I get in the same item, I get maximum of 99. Because of that, if I will have another item that is 99 too, I will add an additional. If it's a part, I will add to this and create an additional from what rest. For now, I think I will do it in that way. I will, if it's full, okay, if it's full, sorry, I need to make it boolean, like the remove, if I could remove or not, and get what? Get item by ID. Why the first of the it's link? Okay. Okay. First of all, if it's, I can then add additional item if it's full. For now, if it's not full, var candidate, the candidate will be the, I take the first of default that have the same ID. Not first of default, I need to get all candidates. I need to get all the find all. I have the ID. Yeah, because it's not like that, it's like that. Okay, I need to find all the same with the same, the same, and that have and the C nekuda C size amount. Amount is like the what it's writing all the time. Max stack is not in C. It's a product. Yeah, it's a product. Max. Okay, now I will get all the candidates. Then if the candidates is more than 0, that I have additional candidates, I need to split the item for each candidate, and if it's left, I will add new. not like that. I will make while for slot. Okay, amount to split to add. Okay, now I make while amount to add is greater than 0 and the candidate count is greater than 0. And then what I do, I take the first candidate, I check how much space available in the candidate. If the space available is bigger, then nice, I add everything, it's okay. Else, if it's less, I will add only part, and then I need to remove the candidate from the list. Candidate. If candidate is empty, slots remove wall. What the fuck is happening here? No, I don't want to remove the slot. No. I want to remove from that. Okay. We look at on this another time. The amount, this is the amount that is the max amount. Then if it's more than 0 and the candidate count is more than 0, as I will continue, I take the first candidate, then I search how much. If I have the amount, I add. If not, and then I remove the specific candidate that I add the max amount. Now he have the max amount, and then I do it until I don't have candidates. If I finished and I don't have candidates, but I have I need to check if the amount to add is more than 0. Okay, I will make it a little bit different. I will take this one, I will put it here. Okay, after these steps, if I have additional amount to add, I want to add to slot only if it's not if I here I check it if it's full or not, but I don't need to check it here because it's maybe built full, but it's possible to add additional. I need to check it here. If it's full and the amount to add is bigger than 0, I have a problem, a very big problem. I need to check it before. It will not work like that. In the end, it will be must be true, but an amount is to add. I have a problem because I splitted the item, and now it's a problem. I need to check it before if it can be splittable or not. If it can be splittable or not. Okay, right, ball can be split. Can be added. Okay. What I will get the slot. First of all, I am checking the max amount. Okay, var max amount is added, is can be added, is edible, is added, how to call it, is available. Item edible. Okay. Now max amount, max free amount. The max free amount will be calculated as I will need to go through all the slots and sum up all the spaces. In addition, for each empty slot, I think so, yeah, for each, in addition, for each empty slot, we have slots for each empty slot is empty. Did I create this? One second, inventory. Did I create all the slots in the constructor? No, it's empty. Okay, if it's empty, I need to check the slots. I will take the max size, indoor size, minus the slots count, and I need to by the I need to multiply it by no, but I don't know. Yeah, but it's okay. By a slot probably max size, but by the slot max size I will want to split it a little bit. It will be okay, it can be like that. Okay, I will make, and if the amount is less than the slot amount or equal to it, the item can be edible, and that I can check in the start. If is item edible, if it's not edible, I return false, and I will not continue to do the manipulation. Then if it's yes, like that, it's 100% that I can split the item through all the slots, and I have additional place. Because of that, in the maximum I will have slot at 99. If I split it before, the only thing I need to do is to say if the slot, but before that I need to remove, I think I need to create a new slot. It's easier, a new slot, but the GUID will change. Do I want to change the GUID? Maybe, probably I will want to change the GUID. In theory, I will get the item from the shop. The shop will invoke the event, something both, and then the slot I will get the slot, but the slot will be with the ID, from the shop itself. So I don't want this ID specific to be added. What I want to do, I want to add a new ID. Okay, I will create var new slot. I will create a new slot. I need something to duplicate. I think can I use something like yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. The only thing, amount to add, it's the amount that I can't add, and then I add this slot, and then I say super, we make it. Now remove item, I am removing by I think I need 2, or remove all the item. It can be possible, or remove only certain amount. What happened? Okay, I need to look. It will remove int all elements that match the coordinate definition. Okay. Return true. Okay, it's like correct. No, if it remove what is, one second, removal, I need to check it. Removal, C# remove all. I need to check how it works. What it PD remove from if the return true for an element method return and interpret the number of elements that was removed from the list. Okay. If I can return this one. Return. If it removed something, I need to check if this is more than 0. If it's more than 0, it says that I removed something. Here I will find the first with the same ID. Then if it's false, I can remove it. Then if the amount I want to remove is less, I remove. If the slot amount is more than the amount, I remove the amount. I think I had a function else slot remove. Else is okay. If I somehow mistakenly write more than the max size, I remove the slot itself. It's okay. I think it's okay. Then it return true. It will return false only if it can't remove. Or maybe do I need to save the result of this? If it removed, it's okay. If it removed, it's okay. Okay, I need to save the result. Result. I can't make it. And then I make it a result, and then I will get back the result. Yeah, I think so. Okay. In this way, remove. Now I have removed the item itself, or remove it by the amount. Get the item by ID. Check if I can be added, or add item. Okay, the constructor. I check if the inventory size. Where I am checking. If I check in somewhere, yeah, I don't check in any place. Okay, it's bad. I don't need to check. If I do it like that, in particular, I don't need to check. Okay, and then after the item added, I do the manipulation with the inventory when I need, and then I want to update. Do I want to update it from here? Because for here I know that if I add the item, I get here. If I removed the item, I don't know, because here I return what happens to return from the remove all, and here I return what happens to return from remove amount or remove. So I can't I don't have the information about the specific state of the inventory from here. So each time I do something in the inventory, it's logically understandable that if I do something in the inventory, I need to update it. Maybe something changed. Yeah, maybe not. Okay, for now I need to create the inventory manager that will be as a node. I think it's need to be a node or not. In the inventory, the inventory manager must be on top on the inventory UI. Need to look something like, yeah, but it will, oh no, I don't need to block anything. Yeah, if I do it like that, because I can add the inventory manager in the inventory UI as a component that will manage the specific internet, the specific inventory. If so, it will look something like that. I will add node, I will call it inventory manager, that will be in the top. I will call it inventory manager component. I create a new scene, not unique scene. I will create a service branch, scene component, inventory manager component. Now I will go here, I will create node. Okay. Yeah. Okay. First of all, what I will need, I need some export variables. Export first, like I need private. Yeah, in inventory size. We will write 24. We need the inventory size. First of all, we need, it will be good, I think, to add the inventory UI itself. Inventory UI, and then I will create here the inventory itself. Inventory. Okay. And what I will make here, I will override the ready. Here I will create new inventory and initialize it with the okay. I will create the new inventory, initialize the new inventory of the UI. This will be read only. Yeah, okay, I can make it read only. I know why. I can make it read only. Oh, what I will continue to do. Inventory ready. Okay. Initialize the inventory and inventory. I add the inventory. Initialize the inventory. Maybe for check, make a button that add items, or maybe not. For check purpose. Okay, for now it looks something like that. I have the inventory, it will clean up, and then I want to add some sort of items. For now I don't have the items, but I can temporarily export some list only for I will make it a private list of slot. Can I make it? What can be moved as the value sign. Okay. Okay. I can add slot, but I can add product resource. What is the problem now? Because it's must be something like array, I think. No. It's not supported. Why? I think it's supported to maybe because it's maybe not arrays. Oh, Godot collection. Yeah, nice. Maybe Godot have a list collection. Nope, Godot don't have a list. Okay, it will be an array for now of product resource, and then what would I do now? I can like not like that. I add item in the while I can RGD around the range from 1 to max size. Huh? I need to send a slot. Okay, var slot, a new slot. Nice, I can make it like that. And what quantity? It not work like that. Okay, now I create some slots for check. I will add some check slots. I think I must made a little bit more. I need to check it not using the inventory, but for now I will make like that. So with some resource. Okay, initialize inventory. Now I add some items, and after that I need to update the inventory UI. In inventory UI, and I could update inventory, and I will use the inventory. I don't have inventory. I can get the slots of the inventory. I can make it public. Oh, it's something new. Oh, wow, I didn't know about that. A read-only list. Now I can send this list without think about something will broke up. What is the problem? I read list. Now it will okay. Oh, nice. Okay, I will pass the return because I don't need. I need the slots itself, and then I will create everything here. It's because it is very good to send a list without making another instance of the list. I can like the only thing I need to do is to send its read only, and I can modify it in the way. It's a nice approach for this, and like that I think what I think. Where is my product? What I make before? I know. Oh, I work here. Okay. Okay. I make new inventory, initialize the inventory, then I add some items, and then I update the inventory. Okay, it looks like correct. No, it's not correct because I made the same mistake another time. No, it will not work. Of course it will not work because I need to add I need to go to the inventory UI and then assign the inventory UI and then to add some element. Like I have 3 now, as I can add. I will add the coffee, I will add the I forgot to change the name from coffee. Okay, not a problem. Where is my coffee? That not a coffee, it's a cookie. Not a coffee, it's a cookie, not a coffee. In any way, it's not a cookie. Okay, and now we will see. Okay, it's not working. What is now null reference? What is null? It's look like the slot UI, it's null itself, but I am not sure. I will look on the can it be that I didn't add it here? No, they have the product. Strange. It's very strange. I have here the slot. Yeah, I have the slot. Okay, I have the slot. I added I added. Why don't want to work? It's very strange because I think I added everything, but it said something strange. Okay, void game initer UI initer system no reference not set in object. Okay, it's something in the utilize inventory. Okay, the problem is somehow here. What is the problem? What is the problem? Do I have product slots is initialized. Container is probably exit. Okay. Why are this? I don't know. I initialize it from. Okay. What did this was the no? It not was the problem. Script class can only be set together with base class name. What? Product. Okay, inventory size 20. It's very strange. Okay. Add item. Oh, 1 second. I create the inventory and then I initialize the inventory using this one. Okay. How I initialize it? I initialize it by adding instance, and then it say me what it's saying. No, don't open this. It's saying like that. Inventory ready. System null reference. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. What? Why? Why? The system null reference not set to an instance of an object. Yeah, but where is the problem is happening? Here? The only thing, the product slot is not the problem thing, it's the product grid container. The only problem that it didn't get, but it removed everything. It removed all the child. It removed all the children's. This happened. It removed all the children's. But it removed all the children's. I see that it's removing all the children's. But why it's not okay? We will see here. It's like very strange behavior. One second. Maybe. Okay, I think something with the. It's looking something like with the Godot. I think it's something with the Godot. How it built, how he built this scene and everything, like what is ready first and what is ready second. No? I think I must call it not like that. I need to call it the third. Maybe. Because the inventory UI dot not initialize in the correct order. Okay, I have another solution. I will try to use this solution. It's to make inventory manager component and then assign the inventory and add some elements like the cookie, the muesli and the ramen, and then to start running. Oh, now it worked because in the tree the inventory UI is finished earlier. I think I need to call it not an inventory UI, inventory manager component. It needs to be inventory manager, not here. I will call this inventory manager, not component manager. And then I go to the script itself. Can I rename here? Save, short file play. This is close. Run the file system. I will change it to manager, and then I go here and change it from component to manager because it not will. And I will put it in a manager. Okay, and now I need to change the location of it from to folder that I will call manager. Inventory manager, and then the code will go from component to the folder manager from to the manager. And now I need to change it to manager, and then to check everything that it worked correctly. Okay, look, I think Godot must handle everything like that and not break down. Oh, okay, it worked. I see the numbers. I don't have I have error. No, right. Script class can only be set together with base class name. This is error that I don't understand. Okay. Where is the second? Okay, it worked. Now I have something that look like inventory. Okay. Ooh. I think I will finish. Not finish. I will go to a break right now. It's look okay. We need to continue to work on the inventory to make it. I think now without the visual, only that we can like press or something, and we'll add some item to the machine. I will think what I will do. But for now I will go to like 15-minute breaks. I will go to 15-minute break, and I will come back in 15 minutes. I'm back. Okay, continue to work on this. Okay, now I can show the inventory. I can show the I can show everything. Now I need what I need now to do. Okay, I have this one. Now I need to make it possible to add dynamically and check if everything worked correctly. I will go to the stream, to the code. Okay, inter manager. Okay, I will remove the initialization. I don't need it right now. I will make a function. Okay, I will call it add item. Why didn't change it? Okay, add item. Update. Do I need update? I can to update. Why object? What? Product resource. Item cooldown. Product. Item to the product max size. Now I can add item. Public add item. Public void remove item by GoID. Okay, now I need to make some debug options to add. I think I must to make something easier. Okay, I will start from yeah, or do I want to make it no, it's only for now. For testing I made it only for testing purposes. I don't know what how do I want to make the list. Wait a second, I will look on my tasks. Will be shown your stock, fix the vending machine, build player in the UI. Okay, I think I build it. Money, I don't want to. Here I have in progress. What is the using the resource for different vending machine? Okay, it looked like I made it. Build vending machine. To restock, fix the machine, implement the logic for the restock the vending machine with new products. Okay, I need to somehow now to be possible to add item to the machine itself. The machine itself must to have inventory too, but it can be that it will not have the inventory UI itself, or maybe it will have. Okay, I need to look the script of the inventory manager. It manage in a way that it take the inventory UI, but the inventory UI is a class that mainly. Okay. I think I must make an interface that will help me with everything. It's not here. Folder interface. I will make some interface. I will call it inventory on space game. Oops. Okay, game. It will be interface. What? No, not like what is doing? Public interface inventory. I need to implement the slots. I need to the GUID and this, and now the inventory. The inventory UI must to implement the I inventory. I read only list. No, no. It's not like that. It must to be like a regular list. Why to make it like that? I don't know. Okay. Why convert? What is converting? What is happening here? Updating. What is happening here? I don't know. Product slots. What it make? No, I don't need this one too. I need to implement only the one from me. Okay. What wasn't implemented? Add item. Okay. No. It's not inventory UI. Okay. We start like that. Not in this way. We start like that. Inventory UI. I need a initialization inventory and update and clean inventory. These three things that I must update in each UI without the implementation. And here and the clean. Okay. Without any clean inventory. Okay. And now I implemented, no? I must implement this. Inventory, but I have the clean inventory. What? I have the clean inventory. What he want from me? I don't know. Inventory UI. What he want from me? This is the name. It must to be private. Maybe protected This is the minimum level. No. I must to make it public as some sort of so I think I don't need the clean inventory at all here. Okay, what is the problem now? He's saying something strange. Okay, I enter UI. Okay. Now each enter UI can implement it in the way that the inventory wants, only with using this one. And then when I use in the inventory manager, I not take the enter UI, I take the I inventory UI. It's not supported as export, not supported as export because inventory UI is not how I can make it, because interface is not supported. Okay, it's not a problem too. I can make it like that. I can make it in the ready one. Inventory UI, get node inventory UI. The only check I need to do is to check if the inventory UI is called inventory UI. I think what is the way that I can make it? If I will take it as I inventory, because it can be I inventory, I can export it as it, or maybe I can export it. Okay, I need to check. Godot export new types. I need to create export script. Export. I must create a resource class, make it name. Export the file, my int property, my string property, and to make it stand the content can be saved and the resource send definition. No, this is not what I wanted. If every script, I need to think about that from another place. If the inventory manager is managed from the inventory data to the UI, but the UI can be changed depend on a lot of things. Like for now, here I will have some sort of, but it will manage only some. Okay, I think I made this problem by myself. I didn't need this interface for now. At least for now I don't need it. Okay, I remove this one. Now I will go to the inventory manager. I will use the, because it's the only thing. It will be inventory UI. It's for all the inventory UIs. I don't need to get it. I can export it right now. Export it. Okay, I don't need this interface at all. I don't need this one, and I don't need that one. Okay, because in reality, for every vending machine, it will work separately. It will hold only the data and maybe the UI, but it will be need handled by another manager, not the same one that they handle the UI to the UI and the data of the UI. I must do something for the vending machine itself. Where is it? This is the vending machine. The file here I can go. This is the vending machine. Now I need to write some inventory manager for the vending machine itself. Okay, I will make node. I will call it inventory manager vending machine. I will call it vending machine inventory manager. Vending machine inventory manager. I will put it in the it's not a component, it's a manager. Okay, I will add script. Okay, now I have the vending machine. It will be a manager. It will manage the it will manage. I need, for now I need the inventory. I need to export the no, I need to export the as private inventory size. I need to create this inventory. Why to inventory size? Start from the small I. Okay. Wait, closed. Now I create the inventory, and now I can hold everything I need in the inventory without showing the UI for now. And I can make debugging. Okay, now I need some component that will manage the when I move item from the vending machine, from the inventory to the vending machine, and left and right, like to the vending machine and from the vending machine. How I will make it? If I'm having the vending machine itself, need to edit somewhere here. I think it will be looking like that. It will be have the vending machine will be open using, and then the inventory. Okay, I need to add here the inventory UI. I need to add canvas. No canvas. Color rectangle that will be all the size. I need to make it black. Not black. I have the color. This is my colors. I need to make it a little bit transparent. 120, maybe no, maybe more. 120 is less. 150. 180. 180. Okay, 180 is fine. I think it's fine. 180, and hide it and hide this one. Okay, nice. I need to write some script to manage this. but for now it's okay. Where is the inventory? Ah, okay, the layer is hidden because I don't see the inventory. I will hide this for now. It's okay. For now, it will be shown with the vending machine that will be added in runtime. I think like that. It will be added in the runtime, or this machine, or the coffee, or not the coffee, or the coffee one, and they will be swapped. They will be added in the runtime. For now I need some managed script that will be where it will be, or some global thing that will invoke the signal that the user moved. Okay, I think I need to come back to my paint. Now I have the inventory. I have the inventory manager that manages the inventory. Do he update? Depend on the new data I get. The manager, if it adds slot, I need to inventory update. I need to update the inventory. Okay, right now, and after, if I remove the item, I update the inventory another time. Okay. Code int amount. The only thing that if the regular amount is 99. If I will not pass anything, it will remove 1 minute.